Hello everyone. Today we will show you the concept of geometrical transformation and how you can solve the geometrical transformation problem in robotics. So before that, first concept is geometric transformation or basic transformation. So in that geometric transformation is the change in orientation, change in shape, change in size of object in the database as well as the graphic image. So this alters the coordinate descriptions of the object. So there are different types of basic transformation used in computer graphics. In that, first is the translation, then second scaling, third rotation, and reflection. These are the different types of transformations used in computer graphics. Then different purpose or purposes. So first is the to move the position of the object, to alter the shape and size of the object, to change the orientation of the object. And different uses of geometric transformation in construction of model, in editing the model by using command like translate, rotate, zoom, mirror, etc., for obtaining orthographic or isometric perspectives, or in animation. So these are the different uses or application of geometric transformation. So before that, first geometric transformation is the translation. So in figure of transformation or translation, this is the point P and P dash is the new position of point P. Okay, so this is the original position, this is the new position. So new position indicates by dash. So coordinates of point P x comma y, and new coordinates of point P dash x dash comma y dash. So first geometric transformation is the translation. So in that translation, a translation involves the moving the graphic element or object from one location to another location, as shown in figure. So there are different translation factors used in translation. So one of the rigid transformation which moves the object without deformation, means translate an object by adding offsets to coordinate to generate new coordinates position set as tx, ty, and tz be the translation distances. Means in case of translation transformation, tx, ty, and tz act as a translation factors. Means tx is the translation factor along x direction, ty is the translation factor along y direction, and tz is the translation factor along z direction. uh, any two-dimensional graphic element is constructed out of points. So transformation of any two-dimensional element essentially means the transformation of all points of geometric entity. So figure shows transformation of point P, means movement of point P from one location to another location. So P dash is the new position of point P, or original coordinates of point P x comma y, and new position is the x dash comma y dash. So tx, ty, tz act as a translation distance or translation transformations in geometric transformation. So first, how you can find out new position of point P. Okay, so new position of point P, x dash and y dash. So you can directly write the x dash or new position of point x. X dash is equal to x plus tx. Means you have to add translation distance in original coordinates, then you can directly get the new position of point x. Similarly, find out y dash. Y dash is the new position of point y. Y dash is equal to y plus ty. So in matrix form, these two equations you can write in matrix form. P dash is equal to x dash y dash, means new position of point P. Then P x y means original position of point P, and T act as a translation matrix. So tx, ty, these are the two translation factors in x direction, y direction. So general formula used for translation, P dash is equal to P plus T. So in case of translation, consider a point p x comma y is translated by distance tx in x direction and ty in y direction. Hence new position of point p dash is x dash comma y dash. The translation of any graphic element is nothing but the translation of all the points of that element. Then another transformation or second transformation is the rotation or two-dimensional rotation. So in the rotation, the graphic element or object, so this figure shows rotation of point O. So point O having coordinates x comma y, and O dash is the new position of point O having coordinates p dash or O dash x dash comma y dash. So in rotation transformation, the graphic element or object is rotated about the origin, okay, or z axis, or about point O, or about z axis at an or by an angle theta as shown in figure. Okay, so for the positive angle, the rotation is in the counterclockwise direction. The rotation of any graphic entity or the rotation of any graphic element is the rotation of all points of that element. So consider one point O with coordinates x comma y is rotated about origin or z axis at an angle theta in counterclockwise direction to new position O dash as shown in figure. So where r is nothing but the total radius or total distance of point O from origin. So in a rotation axis and angles are specified for the rotation, convert coordinates into polar form of calculations. So rotation is the graphic element or the graphic element is rotated about the origin by an angle theta as shown in figure. So first of all you have to write the equations or two general equations for the rotation. So in case of rotation there are different abbreviations. So r is nothing but constant distance of point from the origin, then phi is the original angular position of the horizontal plane or horizontal point, and theta is nothing but exactly rotation of point O about origin. So you can directly write the x or value of x, or how you can write the coordinates of point O x comma y. X is nothing but r is the total distance, r cos phi. Okay, r is nothing but total distance. So in this figure uh, r is total distance of point x or point O from the origin. So you can directly write x distance, x is equal to r cos phi and y is equal to r sin phi. Then another thing is that actually rotation of point O about the origin at an angle theta, this is the rotation, total rotation. So you can directly find out new position of point O dash x dash comma y dash. So how you can write x dash, x dash is the new position of point x, x dash is equal to r cos, similar to previous equation, r cos phi plus theta. Okay, means angle phi plus theta, this is the total angular inclination of point O along horizontal plane. Okay, so you have to add theta angle phi plus theta for new point of x, means x dash. Then similarly find out y dash, y dash is equal to r sin phi plus theta, means total angular inclination. So for y coordinate you have to consider sine trigonometric equation or parameter, and in case of x you have to consider cos theta. So we know that formula or trigonometric equation cos alpha plus beta or cos a plus b or sin a plus b. So you have to consider this equation cos a plus b or sin a plus b. means cos A plus B is equal to cos A cos B minus sin A sin B, and sin A plus B is equal to sin A cos B plus sin B cos A. So by using this equation you can directly write the or expand the r cos phi plus theta. Okay, means cos A plus B cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. So put these values in particular equation or expand the cos phi plus theta. So you can directly get this answer, x cos theta minus y sin theta. Similarly, sin phi plus theta, you have to use sin A plus B sin A cos B plus sin B cos A. So this is the final answer, x sin theta plus y cos theta. So in matrix form you can directly write these two equations in matrix form. Okay, means r is nothing but rotation matrix cos theta for x coordinate, for y coordinate minus sin theta, that's why minus sin theta. So for x sin theta, that's why sin theta, and y cos theta, that's why cos theta. So this matrix is known as rotation matrix. R is equal to cos theta minus sin theta cos theta. So you have to remember this rotation matrix, R is equal to cos theta minus sin theta cos theta. So general formula for rotation matrix, P dash is equal to R into P, where P dash is the new position of point P and R is nothing but rotation matrix. Rotation matrix R is equal to cos theta minus sin theta cos theta, and P is the original position of point P, means x comma y. So in this way you can directly calculate the rotation matrix or angle of rotation about origin or about z-axis at an angle theta. So this is the simply derivation used for two-dimensional rotation, or rotation is nothing but angular inclination of graphic element. Okay, or the graphic element or object is rotated about the origin or z-axis by an angle theta. For the positive angle, the rotation is in the counterclockwise direction. The rotation of any graphic element is the rotation of all the points of the elements. Or this is the simply derivation used for rotation. So general formula for rotation, P dash is equal to R into P, where R is nothing but rotation matrix and P is the original position of point P x comma y, and P dash is the new position of point P x dash comma y dash. And this is the point P or this is the P dash, or R is nothing but radius or distance of point P from the origin.